Today we are going to do the story reading. Find part C in the textbook. Everybody touch the title. What's the title? Get ready. Herman the Fly. Okay, let's begin reading. You start at Herman the Fly and then go all the way down to leaves, the end of the paragraph. Go. Stop. My turn. Herman the Fly. Herman was a fly. He was born on some old cabbage leaves that had been thrown out. Herman's mother laid eggs on the leaves, and 2 days after she laid them, Herman was born. Stop. Everybody, how long was Herman in an egg? Get ready. Yes, you should have said 2 days. I'm continuing with reading. He had brothers and sisters. In fact, he had 80 brothers and 90 sisters. All Herman's brothers and sisters were born on those rotten cabbage leaves. Okay, as I'm transitioning, you need to think about Herman and what we just read. Okay, I need for you to begin reading at right after Herman all the way to maggots. Go. Stop. My turn. Right after Herman was born, he didn't look like he did when he was a full-grown fly. At first, Herman looked like a worm because he was a worm. Here's the fact. When flies are born, they are worms called maggots. Everybody listen to that fact again. When flies are born, they are worms called maggots. Say that fact. Get ready. When flies are born, they are worms called maggots. Let's say that fact again. Get ready. When flies are born, they are worms called maggots. First, Herman was in an egg. Everybody, how long was he in that egg? Get ready. Yes, 2 days. What do we call the thing that came out of the egg? Get ready. Yes, a maggot. Continue reading for 9 days, right underneath the picture of the rotten cabbage leaf, all the way down to eyes. Go. Stop. Okay, my turn. For 9 days, Herman was a maggot that crawled around on the cabbage, eating and eating and eating. Everybody, how long was Herman a maggot? Get ready. Yes, 9 days. On the 10th day, Herman felt sleepy. He stopped eating and went to sleep. When he woke up, he had changed. He was a fly. He wiggled out of his old maggot skin, and there he was, a fly. He was 1 centimeter long. Like all flies, he had 6 legs and 2 big eyes. Everybody, how many legs does a fly have? Get ready. Yes, 6. Now, I want you to continue reading. Here is something all the way down to inside, right before the blue star. Go. Stop. My turn. Here is something that you may not know about flies. Flies do not change size on the outside, but they change size on the inside. Everybody, do they grow on the outside? Get ready. No, they do not grow on the outside. Do they grow on the inside? Get ready. Yes, they grow on the inside. Okay, I need for you to read when Herman first became a fly, and then you're going to read all the way to shell, which is on the next page. Go. Stop. My turn. Okay. I'm at the last sentence down here. When Herman first became a fly, he was just as big as he was when he was an old fly. A fly's outside body is like a shell. Inside that shell is the part of the fly that grows. Everybody, which part grows, the inside or the outside? Get ready. Yes, inside. What happens to the size of the outside shell when the fly gets older? Think about it. You should have said it doesn't grow, that nothing happens to the size of the outside shell. Okay, I'm going to read right here at first. At first, the inside part is small. It looks like a little tiny foot in a great big shoe. There is lots of space between the part that grows and the shell. As the fly gets older and older, the inside part gets bigger and bigger until it fills up the shell. Everybody, touch picture A. Is that fly the younger fly? Get ready. Yes. How do you know? Because the inside is smaller. Everybody, touch picture B. How do you know that fly is older? Yes, the inside is bigger. So I want you to continue reading from anyhow all the way to do, which is right here, do. The first, I think, 2 sentences. Go. Stop. My turn. Anyhow, it didn't take Herman long to grow up. Within 9 days, he was full grown and doing those things that flies like to do. Everybody, how long did it take Herman to become a full grown fly? Get ready. Yes, 9 days. How long was he in an egg? Get ready. 2 days. What did he become after he was an egg? Get ready. A maggot. How long was he a maggot? Get ready. 9 days. Then what did he become? Yes, a young fly. So now I want you to read from he buzzed all the way down to the end of the story. Go. Stop. My turn. I'm at he buzzed around. He buzzed around, he ate, he loved to find things that were rotten and warm. He rubbed his 2 front feet together as he rested. Herman looked like any other fly, but he was different, very different. Herman has the record of flying farther and faster than any fly that has ever lived. Most flies fly a few hundred miles in their lifetimes. A few flies will fly over 1,000 miles. Herman flew thousands and thousands of miles. In the next story, you'll find out how he did that. More next time. What record does Herman have? Yes, flying farther and faster than any other fly. Because remember, I believe Herman has the record of flying farther and faster. I remember reading that. The story says he flew thousands and thousands of miles, but I don't think a fly can fly that far. Can you think of any other way a fly could fly thousands and thousands of miles? Perhaps if he was on a plane or finding a rocket. Maybe you have any other answers that I didn't think of. You can let me know. You can always message me if you need to. So now you can do your independent work. Again, if you need to go back and listen to the story, feel free to do so. If you need to go and over the vocabulary words, do that, because I want you to continue to be successful in your reading so that when you come back, when you're in the 3rd grade, you'll be ahead of the game and not behind. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.